Snack smarter, not harder. These are blackberry roast beef crostinis, aka the easiest fancy-looking appetizer you'll ever make. Just toast up a baguette, smother with herb cream cheese, spread some blackberry rosemary jam, layer on roast beef, and finish with a garnish. 5 minutes, zero stress, big Cabernet energy. It pairs perfectly with pine-rich Napa Valley Cabernet Sauvignon. Think juicy blackberries, smooth tannins, and a little moment in every bite. Simple, bold, and kind of impressive. Follow for more snack and sip ideas. This is just the beginning of your new favorite snack series. Cheers!